All right, today we're gonna be reviewing they have it listed as a reading pillow, but you can use it as to watch TV or gaming or to read books, put on your bed or on your couch if your couch is it's not it doesn't have back support like mine. There's big cushions back here, so this pillow is amazing. It's ergonomic. It has armrests that go round so they feel amazing. They have pockets on the sides so you can put your remotes and you don't lose them, or your books. You can put your neck here if you're playing games on your phone or you're just watching TV. You can sit here and you just sit. This sits on your shoulders and it feels really good. So you can read books. It's ergonomic. You can take it with you because it has a handle. It's memory foam, so you know it's gonna be very comfortable and very convenient for those people who like to read a lot, or if you play games a lot. It's a great thing to have. Um, it's non-slip. You got non-slip bottom, so if you see, you can see those little dots about down here, and it has zippers here because you can watch it. You can take it off and watch it because it's memory foam. If you use it a lot and you feel like it's dirty, you can just take it off and watch it. But if not, you can't see where the zippers are down here. Actually, when you buy it, it comes all in a vacuum seal bag, so you have to wait a couple of days to just take it off. This comes apart off, so you have to put it in and let it get the form that it takes, and then you can use it because it's vacuum sealed, so it doesn't have the form. But once 24 hours pass, then it will take it. You can see it's like a triangle. It's like triangular, but like with a curve for your back. Very comfortable. Definitely recommend it. Very soft memory foam. So you read a lot, you play a lot of games, you watch a lot of TV. This is the pillow for you. So definitely recommend it. So go ahead and get some. Thank you.